Welcome to Aztec Washer Company. If you're experiencing problems with leaks, pipes, conduits, cables, and wires that penetrate your metal, residential roofing, or siding, we have your solution. MasterFlash, an answer that ensures you no more leaks, with a minimum of a 20-year warranty. Multi-Flash MasterFlash Retrofit applications. This installation guide will cover the Multi-Flash MasterFlash Retrofit applications. This is designed to seal existing pipes that require a wraparound existing installation. The Multi-Flash Retrofit is available in 10 sizes made of EPDM rubber and available in high-temp silicone. The retrofit covers from 1 1/4 inches to 28 inches pipes. The one-piece flashing allows for a 5 easy step installation and usually takes 5 minutes to install. Multi-Flash Retrofit Square Base MasterFlash. Materials needed: measuring tape, marker, 3 stainless steel grippers, pliers, scissors or snips, drill, master seal bonded washers, fasteners, and sealant. Step 1. Measure the pipe diameter and cut the flashing 5% smaller than the pipe. Pipe diameters can be seen clearly for proper fitting. Step 2. Wrap the flashing around the pipe and form to the roof surface. Measure grippers and cut to size. Apply the grippers. Step 3. Form the flashing to the roof and with a marker outline the flashing base. Lift flashing and apply sealing inside the base outline. Step 4. Tighten gripper with pliers for a secure fit. Step 5. Complete the installation with master seal bonded washers and fasteners. Fasteners should be 1 inch to 1.5 inches apart around the entire base for a tight, secure seal. Review the installation and apply extra sealant if necessary. Problem solved! Seal it right, seal it tight. Please visit us at www.aztecwasher.com or contact your sales representative at 1-800-927-4375 or info@aztecwasher.com for other quality MasterFlash product. Visit the Pitch Data Calculator app at rpc.aztecwasher.com.